From the University of Georgia, a student production from the Grady College of Journalism. This is Grady News Source.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Shannon Wiggins, outside of the Grady School of Journalism and Mass Communication with your weather update. Tropical Storm Isaac is looking like it may not be a tropical storm for much longer. It is expected to turn into a Category 1 hurricane as early as tomorrow morning. Right now, hurricane warnings are in effect as far as from Louisiana to Destin, Florida. Fox News is also reporting that it is taking the same exact path as Hurricane Katrina. A montage of small earthquakes hit Southern California yesterday. There were more than a dozen ranging from a magnitude of 2 to 5.4. Two earthquakes also hit El Salvador as well, with one also had a magnitude of 7.3. A tsunami also followed. Tsunami warnings were in effect for Costa Rica, Nicaragua, El Salvador, and Honduras. While other parts of the world are experiencing heavy rainfall, it is very nice here in Athens. Currently, we are at a temperature of 72 degrees with winds of 8 miles per hour coming in from the northeast, and we are expecting it to be about a high of 88 degrees. But we will have higher chances of rain throughout the week. Stay tuned with our forecast later on at 5 o'clock.